Let's learn the rules of operating a backhoe. First is about the seatbelt when operating a backhoe. We can see that the seatbelt is not fastened.
This is dangerous.
When operating a backhoe, please make sure to fasten the seatbelt.
I get it.
Next is the procedure after finishing working with the backhoe. Bucket is suspended from the ground. The dozer blade is suspended from the ground. When it stays like this, when the hydraulic pressure is released, they will fall and lead to disaster. The key is still attached to the ignition.
This is dangerous.
After finishing the work, please follow these steps. Place the dozer blade into the ground. Place the bucket into the ground. Remove the key from the ignition and lock the backhoe door from outside. In the past, there was an incident where the backhoe rolled over and the driver was thrown out. When operating a backhoe, please make sure to fasten the seatbelt.
I understand.